Gardening ideas from beginner to pro-level tips for creating your dream garden. Welcome back, garden lovers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your gardening game to the next level, this video is packed with essential tips and ideas to help you create the garden of your dreams. From the basics of getting started to pro-level techniques, we've got something for everyone today. Let's dive in. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Creating your first garden doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are a few essential steps to get you started. Pick the right spot. Choose a location with plenty of sunlight. Most vegetables, herbs, and flowers need at least 6 hours of direct sun. If space is limited, consider starting with container gardening or raised beds. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with a massive project right off the bat. Begin with a few easy-to-grow plants like tomatoes, lettuce, or basil. These will give you quick results and boost your confidence. Soil is key. Great soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Invest in good quality soil or compost. You want a mixture that is well-draining, rich in organic matter, and full of nutrients. Remember to check the pH levels of your soil for the best results. Watering basics. New plants need regular watering, but don't drown them. The rule of thumb is to water deeply, but less often. This encourages roots to grow deeper and makes your plants more resilient. Patience and consistency. Gardening takes time. Keep an eye on your plants, and with a little patience and consistent care, you'll start seeing them thrive. Once you've gotten the hang of the basics, it's time to level up. Here are some intermediate tips to help expand your garden and enhance its beauty. Companion planting. Did you know that certain plants grow better together? For example, planting marigolds near tomatoes can help deter pests. Basil is great for improving the flavor of tomatoes, while beans can add nitrogen to the soil for other plants. Research companion planting to boost your garden's productivity naturally. Use vertical space. If you're short on space, go vertical. Use trellises, arbors, or hanging planters to grow vines like cucumbers, peas, and beans. This not only saves space but adds a dynamic dimension to your garden. Seasonal planting. Rotate your crops and plant seasonally to keep your garden productive year-round. For example, after your summer crops are harvested, plant cool season crops like kale, broccoli, or carrots in fall. Succession planting is the key to keeping your garden flourishing no matter the season. Incorporate perennials. Add some perennials to your garden, plants that come back year after year. They are low maintenance and will add color and structure to your space. Lavender, rosemary, and peonies are great examples. Mulching magic. Use organic mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Straw, leaves, or bark mulch around your plants will do wonders for your garden's overall health and appearance. Ready to go pro? Here's where you can really start thinking creatively and strategically to maximize your garden's potential. Let's explore some expert-level techniques. Install an irrigation system. An automated irrigation system saves time and ensures your plants get consistent water. Drip irrigation is particularly efficient and delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and water waste. Create microclimates. Different areas of your garden might get different amounts of sunlight or wind exposure. Use these to your advantage by creating microclimates. For example, plant heat-loving plants like peppers in the sunniest areas, and shade-loving plants like lettuce in cooler, shaded spots. Build a greenhouse. A small greenhouse allows you to extend your growing season and protect sensitive plants from the elements. You can start seeds earlier in the spring and keep growing into the fall and winter months. Soil amendments and composting pros know the importance of constantly improving their soil. Make your own compost from kitchen scraps and garden waste. Add organic matter like compost, manure, or worm castings to enrich the soil with nutrients and improve structure. Pest and disease management. Practice proactive pest management. Use natural methods like neem oil, beneficial insects, or organic sprays to keep pests at bay. Regularly inspect your plants for early signs of disease and use crop rotation to avoid soil-borne diseases. Experiment with new varieties. One of the joys of becoming an advanced gardener is experimenting with rare or heirloom plant varieties. Try growing exotic vegetables, fruits, or flowers that you can't easily find in stores. Whether you're just starting out or you're already well on your way to being a gardening pro, I hope these tips inspire you to dig deeper and create the garden of your dreams. Gardening is a journey, and there's always something new to learn and enjoy along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening, on-screen text. Subscribe for more gardening tips. Outro music fades out as the screen shows the garden in full bloom.